In this video, I want to show the format. I've shown the format painter. So in this video, I want to show how to use header and footer and the navigation pane. So I'm opening my storage. This is just a well formatted document and it can use the navigation pane. In future, I'll discuss how to make your own look like this too if you want that, but I've discussed how to center a line, how to change font and size, how to change things like that using the paragraph. If I want to show the navigation, I go to view, as I've said, then I want to take away this ruler. I'm taking away the ruler, and then I'll click navigation pane. And you can see something has shown here, like a table of contents. That's because this document is well formatted. So this is a lot of stories. If I want to go to maybe the story of the two men, I just click it. You can see I'm into the two men. I want to go to the story of do you always forget, and then you can see it has moved to do you always forget. If I want to go to the maid driver, you can see it has gone to the maid driver. And if I'm going back to the title, of course, I click it and I have the title. So that is how the navigation pane works. But not all document will just show this. That makes sense. You have to set it. You have to change the heading when we get to certain table of contents. This navigation pane is the first step towards setting table of contents. Now, the next thing I want to show here is how to add footer and header. Of course, you can add page number. If you want to add page number, just come to this insert, and then you have pages. You can do your page break, your cover page, your blank page if you want to do all this kind of that. Then you can add your page number. Add page number. So I can come here and it asks me where do I want it to be. You can see, do I want it to be at the top of the page, the bottom, the page margins, the current position, or anywhere. But I want it to be at the bottom of the page and I want this centered one. So I can click it and you can see it has added the page number. It has added the page number. But in doing this, in latest version, you can see give me the option for header and footer. For header and footer. So I'm going to start all over again by looking at the header and the footer. So I'll double click this and I'm back. Not accepting that. I want to insert footer and header. So I come to this insert tab. I come to the insert tab, then I'll look for the group titled header and footer. Header is just that thing you see on the top of every document. And footer is what is at the bottom of every document. It's the same across all the page. Maybe it can be the name of the author, the title of the book. So I want to put header, so I click header, and then it's giving me suggestions. So I just want to put this first one. So and then I have to type it here. Maybe inside this place, let me just do the typing. So I've typed my stories, and that is the header that I've added. So the footer, to insert the footer, I go back to that same thing, insert header and footer. I click my footer. I have the right to choose option. So I want to choose the one that will give me page of something. So I'm looking for the one that will say page something of something. And that is the best these days. So page 1 of 1. So I'm taking this and you can see I have 9 pages. So it has said page 1 of 9. And with this, I'll double click to accept and I already have my header and footer. Of course, I can change the colors. Very, very easy. I can change the color. I can check whatever I want to change here. You already know how to do that. We are just talking about how to do header and footer. Now, the next thing I want to show is how to add watermark. So in add watermark, I'll go to the design tab. Of course, watermark is all those things you see in document, you can say confidential, it can even be a picture, it can be anything. You just have to choose it. It's a way of like making that thing official. Yes, and maybe a way of customizing it so that anybody that photocopies it, that thing will be there, so they know it's originates from you. So I will just click my watermark, and then I have options. So I have options for to change this, to do not copy, or I can get from online, or I can do my custom watermark. So I can click custom watermark, and it's asking me, do I want to use picture? So if I want to use picture, I'll click picture. Do I want to use text? If I want to use text, I'll click text. So let me click text watermark, and it's asking me what is the text I want to use. Maybe for students only. Let me just say for students only. Of course, some people say confidential, something like that. Then the color. Which color do I want it to be? So I have the right to choose. So I want it to be a light gray. Then do I want it to be diagonal or horizontal? I have the option to choose. Do I want it to be semi-transparent? Of course, I need that one. Then I can just click apply. Mind you, I can choose to put no watermark. I can put a picture watermark, or I can put a text watermark. So I'll click apply. When I click apply, that's applied. Then the OK is grayed out. I just put close. And if you look at my document now, you see something faintly for students only. Faintly. That's what we call watermark. So far so good in this video, we have talked about how to add the footer and the header. The footer and the header, you go to your insert, and then you go to the header tab, the header group, you take your footer and the header, and then where you can put the page number, you can put that one. And then to put the watermark, you go to design, and then you put your watermark for this under the page background. Of course, you can put page border, you can put page color, a lot of things there. If you want to put page border, just click it like this. There will be many options for you to choose. If I want to put this thing here, I can choose this. I can say it like this, so it is in box. I don't actually like doing that. So people say it is beautiful, some say it is not beautiful. So it depends on what you like. So you have many options to customize. Thank you.